Rasgullas. Fried dough with syrup. A dessert from Bangladesh. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Boil the milk and let it cool to room temperature. Skim the cream off the milk. Step 2. Again boil the milk, and when it begins to boil, add the lemon juice and continue boiling until the whey separates. Step 3. Cover the pot for 15 minutes. Step 4. Take a muslin cloth and strain the curdled milk. Lightly press to strain out the water. Step 5. Place a heavy weight on the muslin cloth for about an hour. The end product of this is the dough. Step 6. Take the dough on a dry surface and knead well for about 3 minutes. Then add refined flour and continue to knead for another 5 minutes. Step 7. Meanwhile, in a pressure cooker, boil sugar, rose essence and water to form a thin syrup. Step 8. Make small balls of the dough mixture and place them in the sugar syrup. Cover and cook for 7 minutes on a medium flame. Step 9. Serve chilled. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.